Welcome to the best pick. The best light table is probably one of the most versatile and engaging tools you can introduce into a preschool classroom, offering a unique sensory experience that captivates young minds and encourages exploration. This interactive surface transforms simple objects into fascinating discoveries, making it an invaluable asset for fostering creativity, critical thinking, and fine motor skills development in early learners. Its ability to illuminate and highlight textures, colors, and shapes provides a magical learning environment where children can delve into various educational activities, from sorting and pattern making to storytelling and scientific observation, all while having immense fun. Number 5. GAMENOTE Rainbow Wooden Desk Organizer. Add a splash of color to your space with this vibrant rainbow caddy. It's perfect for keeping all your essentials like pens, markers, and scissors neatly organized and easily accessible. Crafted from natural wood with a safe, odorless rainbow paint, this organizer is built to last. Its sturdy construction makes it a child-friendly choice for anyone aged 3 and up. Ready to use right out of the box, place it in your office, classroom, or art room. It's a space-saving solution to keep your area tidy. This piece is more than just storage, it's a cheerful decoration. Its bright design will make your study area or room look inviting and stay clutter-free. Packaged in a sturdy gift box, it makes a wonderful present. It's an ideal choice for students, teachers, or children for any occasion, from back to school to birthdays. What we like? This organizer brings a cheerful rainbow design to any space, perfect for keeping art supplies tidy. Its sturdy, natural wood construction ensures it's safe and durable for little hands. If you're looking for a fun and functional way to organize crayons, markers, and other small items in a preschool classroom or a child's room, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This light table is a fantastic addition to our preschool classroom. The surface is smooth and easy to clean, which is a huge plus for a classroom setting. The brightness is adjustable, allowing us to create different moods and focus on specific activities. The size is perfect for group work, and multiple children can gather around it comfortably. It's also very sturdy and seems like it will hold up well to daily use. The included accessories like the translucent shapes and letters are great for sensory play and learning. We've used it for tracing, light exploration, and even as a surface for building with translucent blocks. The children are absolutely captivated by it, and it has definitely enhanced our learning environment. It's a wonderful tool for developing fine motor skills and encouraging creativity. The setup was straightforward, and it's ready to use in minutes. Overall, a highly recommended product for any early childhood educator. We recently purchased this light table for our kindergarten class, and it has been a game changer. The even light distribution across the entire surface makes it ideal for all sorts of activities. We've used it for letter and number recognition, shadow play, and exploring the properties of light. The durable construction gives us confidence that it will last for many years. The children are constantly engaged with it, and it has become a central hub for learning and discovery in our classroom. It's also surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to move around if needed. The low-profile design is safe for young children, and there are no sharp edges. We appreciate the energy-efficient LED lighting, which keeps our electricity costs down. This light table has truly sparked a new level of curiosity and exploration among our students. Number 4. Amazon Basics Portable Photo Studio Box. Unleash your inner photographer with this portable photo studio. Set it up in under a minute and start capturing stunning product images right away. Measuring 25 by 30 by 25 inches, it's designed to accommodate a wide range of product sizes. It comes with everything you need, including a bright white backdrop. High-output LED lights provide consistent, daylight-balanced illumination for vibrant and accurate colors. An additional light source mimics studio setups, enhancing highlights and shape. The unique 3-door system allows for shooting from multiple angles, minimizing reflections. Plus, a top opening lets you capture overhead shots with ease. This studio is compatible with the Amazon Seller app. You can shoot, edit, and upload your catalog images directly to Amazon, streamlining your workflow. When you're done, it collapses into a thin, portable portfolio case. It requires no assembly and is ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. What we like? This portable studio box with integrated LED lights is designed for creating professional-looking product photos with ease. It sets up in under a minute and collapses for convenient storage. If you are a content creator, small business owner, or anyone needing to take high-quality photos of small items quickly and efficiently, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The light table is a great addition to our classroom, providing a new way for children to explore and learn. It's sturdy and well-made, perfect for the hands-on activities that preschoolers engage in. The brightness is adjustable, allowing us to create different moods and focus on specific learning objectives. Number 3. Children's Factory Medium Sensory Table and Lid. Spark curiosity and engage all your child's senses with this versatile table. It's perfect for sensory learning, whether at home or as a fun activity. Built to last, this sensory bin is crafted from sturdy, weatherproof plastic and a rust-resistant galvanized steel frame. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Easily move it around your space or lock it securely in place with the included casters. This makes transitioning between activities and locations a breeze. Fill it with sand, water, or other safe sensory items for a unique play experience every time. The possibilities for imaginative fun are endless. With a height of 18 inches, this table is perfectly sized for young children. It provides comfortable access for hours of engaging play. Enjoy the flexibility of using this table anywhere. Its durable construction is ideal for both indoor classrooms and outdoor play areas. What we like. This sensory table is designed to engage children's senses with sand, water, or other safe materials, promoting fun and stress-free learning. Its durable, weatherproof plastic construction and rust-resistant frame make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and it includes locking casters for easy mobility and stability. If you need a versatile and robust activity station for a preschool, daycare, or homeschool environment that encourages sensory exploration, this table is an excellent option. What people say. The light table is a great size for a preschool classroom, providing ample space for multiple children to work simultaneously. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the daily use and occasional bumps common in a preschool setting. The even light distribution across the surface makes it ideal for exploring translucent materials like colored gels and blocks, enhancing learning through sensory play. Number 2. Magnetic People Figures for Kids. Introducing our magnetic people figures, designed as the ultimate travel companion for kids. Their compact design sticks together or to magnetic surfaces, ensuring mess-free, quiet entertainment on the go. Safety is our top priority. These figures are built with premium, durable materials and fully enclosed magnets, adhering to strict safety protocols. They are a safe choice for toddlers and young children. More than just toys, these sensory figures are powerful STEM tools. They promote cognitive development, spatial thinking, and problem-solving skills, encouraging endless open-ended play. Help restless hands stay busy and calm big emotions with these quiet magnetic fidget toys. They naturally promote focus and concentration, keeping children joyfully engaged. These magnetic figures offer satisfying fun for teens and adults too, perfect for stress relief at the office. At home, they double as functional fridge magnets or expand existing playsets. Each set includes 24 brightly colored magnetic people figures. They make an excellent gift for any occasion, providing lasting educational value and screen-free entertainment. What we like. These magnetic people figures are designed for mess-free, quiet play, making them perfect for travel and helping to keep little hands busy and calm. They are made from safe, durable materials and encourage creativity, spatial thinking, and problem-solving skills. If you need a portable, engaging, and educational toy for car trips, airplane rides, or classroom rewards that promotes quiet focus, these are an ideal choice. What people say. The light table is a great addition to our classroom, providing a bright and even surface for various activities. Children are engaged with the light table, using it for tracing, sorting, and exploring translucent materials. The durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use in a busy preschool environment. Number 1. Sprogs Adjustable Height Mobile Classroom Activity Table. Introducing a versatile activity table perfect for your preschool classroom. It's ideal for everything from arts and crafts to mealtime and learning activities. This table offers ultimate versatility with its mobile design. You can choose to make it fully mobile, stationary, or even use it in a wheelbarrow style with the interchangeable locking casters and glides. Easily adjust the table height from 15 to 23 inches in 1-inch increments. This ensures a comfortable fit for preschoolers of all sizes. Constructed with a high-quality, easy-to-clean particle board top and a durable steel frame. It's designed to resist stains and scratches for years of heavy-duty use. The generous rectangle shape provides ample space for activities. Measuring 24D x 60W, it's perfectly sized for your little ones to gather around. This table is Green Guard Gold certified, ensuring it meets high standards for indoor air quality. It's a safe and healthy choice for your classroom environment. What we like. This activity table is built for the dynamic needs of a preschool classroom, offering adjustable height and mobile caster wheels for ultimate versatility. Its durable, easy-to-clean surface and sturdy steel frame are designed to withstand heavy use. If you are setting up a preschool or daycare and require a flexible, robust, and height-adaptable workspace for various activities like art, crafts, or learning, this table is a practical and long-lasting investment. What people say. The light table is a great size for a preschool classroom. It's very sturdy and well-made, perfect for little hands. The light is bright and even, making it ideal for exploring translucent materials. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.